Hi, hello. Today I want to do another multi-body model in Catia V5. Let's start with inserting another body. I might need some more. Okay. And I will rename the bodies a little bit later on. So now I go for a sketch right here. Okay. As always, hide the projected yellow elements, maybe change the visual style. Okay, I will only make half of the model and I will try to mirror as much as possible. So, okay, it should be something like that. Yep. I will remove all constraints because they were automatic constraints and I want to have full control over the constraints. Okay, so now this one should be coincident right here. This one should be coincident over there. Yes. There should be a distance. There should be another distance. Another distance. And one is missing. This one is missing. Okay. Change this to 155. This one to 115. This one to 95. And this one to 85. Okay. Then make this an axis. Yes, and okay, and let's make a shaft. And okay. And I will do a fillet. 30. It should be on this edge and I want to keep this edge. And okay, so it looks like this. First I want to make all the bodies for the volume and then I will make all the bodies which will remove volume. Okay. In this model I will do a whole lot of mirrors, because usually you can always mirror a body, but you might get problems to you if you try to mirror some features. So I will mirror this body on that plane, and okay. Then I need another body. It's this one, and I make a sketch over here. Okay, let's show just the body which is in work, like this. Then draw a line, give it a distance, distance should be 75, length should be 155, and it should be symmetric to this line. Let's make a pad with the thick option, because it's just a line. Make it thick, make it 80 with neutral fiber, and the length should be 100, and I could mirror it, make it, yes, okay. Then make a 3-tangent fillet from this side to that side and remove this one, and again from this side to that side and remove this one, okay. And I want to mirror it on that plane. The current solid, that's okay. Like this. Yes, and show all the bodies. Looks like that. Okay. Then I need another sketch. Now on this plane, swap the directions, and so I need this sketch in a new body. No problem, I will do the sketch anyway, and we'll move it to the new body afterwards. No problem. Now I need some sort of rectangle. This one should be 40. This one should be, come on, 40. This angle should be 45, and this point should be coincident on that plane, and this one should get an offset by 75, and change this into 120, and that one to 120. Okay. Now I need a new body, and I want to move this one over here, so let's copy it and paste it right here, and delete this one. Okay. So I make an extrusion, make it mirror extend, it's okay, make some fillets, like this, okay, mirror the whole body, okay, and make another fillet, here and over there. Okay, let's take a look. looks okay right now. So I got all the material I need. So I start my bodies which will remove material from this model. Let's take a look. It would be nice to have this body with a different thickness. Yeah. So maybe let's make a copy, paste it right here, paste special as result with link, for example, like this, and show only this body. If I can make thickness with negative value, minus 25, let's take a look, maybe it works. I got these smaller bodies and I will give them a different color. Okay, let's take a look. Yeah. And it would be also nice to have sort of smaller copy of this body. Let's take a look. I would have to use this pad. Let's define a work object right here. Make it the only one visible. So if I could have a copy of this, a smaller one, that would work. Therefore I need another body. So I try to insert this one in a new body. Insert a new body. So it's right here. See? And I could make a copy of this body. So copy, paste special as result with link. And give this one again some sort of thickness on all faces, minus 20. This one, that one over here, and this one. And now it would be nice if I could only get part of it. So let's just make it like this. Yeah. And now it would be great to have only one half of it. Or I move here and take a look at this one. And change this pad to a non-mirrored extent. And okay. Let's see if the assemble still works. The body 4. It still works. Yeah. But I need another mirror. Yeah. And that's actually it is here. And so I will define this in work object and make another mirror on that plane. Okay, go to the edge fillet, works, nice, that's okay, and blend all in, yeah, still looks nice. Go to this body and give it another thickness, which is minus 80. I suppose minus 80 should do the trick. Let's go to thickness 2. It's 100 minus 80 should do it. Why? It's 100. This cannot be assembled. Doesn't matter because I don't want to assemble it. So let's delete this one. Let's go for thickness on this face. Okay, yeah. And let's make another thickness minus 40 on this one. That one, and that one. Okay. Looks nice. And now mirror it on that plane. Okay. And again mirror it on this plane. Okay. Give it a different color. So blend all in. Yeah, that looks nice. You should not mix assemble Boolean operations with add and subtract Boolean operations. So I will try to change this arrangement. I will delete this assemble. I might get some errors, of course. Then I will go for this body and try to add the one body. It should be this one. Add it. To this body. Okay. And there's of course a problem because the order is not the correct one. So let's remove these. Okay. Make this work object. Show it. And make again the fillets. 35. Okay. Mirror it. On the plane. Mirror it again. On the plane. And make the fillet 45 here and over there. Okay, take a look. Looks okay. these two bodies will be removed, and there will be another body which will be removed. So I go for body, and I will copy this sketch, copy and paste it here. And change the values accordingly. So this should be 40. That one should be, this one should be 45, and this one 50. Okay. Make a shaft with this sketch, and okay. And there should be that's all. I have to do this one later. Okay, this one should be red as well because it will be removed. And of course I need a mirror. Okay. Blend all bodies in. Yeah, that looks nice. Now let's make a body which is for all the material I need. These ones, and that's all I want to remove. So I will insert one body and rename it to all the volume, or just the outer volume, and I want to add body 1, 3 and 4 to this outer volume. So go for add it to this one, and okay. And another body which could be called inner volume. Okay. Yes, and these bodies should go over into this body. Yeah. Yeah, looks okay. So if I remove this one from that one, it should be done. So I will do this, add this outer volume into the part body, okay, and then I will remove the inner volume from the part body. Looks okay. So now I will do some fillets and I will do the holes. Let's start with the fillets. Okay, I will do all with 2 millimeters, and maybe I take this one, that one, that one, that one, that one, and that one. Okay, and I should have some fillets here, so I go for that. This one, yeah, it's the shaft, so define a work object, make it visible, and do fillets right on this edge and that edge. Okay. Define a work object. So I already got these, and now I want to make one here. This one. That edge. Yeah, and I missed two. Just noticed. So let's add this edge and that edge as well. That's okay. And now I can go for the other ones. Take these. Okay. That one over here. And this one. And that one. And that one. Yep. Then I need a phase, and should be 45 degree here, and here. It should be possibly red as well. Okay. Then I have to make some holes. And you could do them in a body and remove this body, or you could do all the patterns themselves. In Catia you should not try to pattern a pattern, and you should not try to mirror a pattern, because it will not work correct. Let's do some holes. Okay, this hole should be right over here. You will get this feature definition error because there is already a hole here, and Catia usually drops the new hole in the center of the already existing hole. But that doesn't matter, just move it over here. And the type should be one, I think, no, not a counterbore, a countersunk. Yeah, a countersunk. And the depth should be 30. The diameter should be 15. The bottom should be a V-bottom. And angle should be depth and diameter, so I go for depth, it's 5, and the diameter is 25, that's okay. And go to the positioning sketch, and this one should be Let's do a circle. Move this circle to the origin by constraining it. This radius should be, or diameter should be, I think it's 70. So which means let's go radius and make it 70. Yes. This one should be coincident. And there should be an angle from here to this one. And this might be, so it's 60, 30. Yeah. Okay. Looks good. And now let's make a circular pattern with this hole. Make it a complete crown. Make it 6 around this axis. And you should pattern the hole, not the complete current solid, and keep the specifications. Okay. Looks nice. Then I need the same pattern at the bottom. If you try to mirror it, let's take a look. You see, it can be transformed. So, as I already mentioned before, don't do it. It will not work. Okay. So I need another hole and another pattern over here. Okay. Just move it. All the properties are the same. So go for the positioning sketch. And you might try to copy this one. Yeah, because it's the same. But define it. Let's make it with a line. Constant. Constant. And give it an angle. 30 again. And make it a distance which should be 70. Leave the sketch. Okay, and again do a pattern. Circular one with this hole, 6, complete crown. Reference element again is this axis. Take the hole, keep specifications, and OK. So next I will go for some user-defined patterns. Therefore I need a sketch or the face. hide these yellow projected elements. I need an elongated hole in the sketch, maybe something like this, and set it on construction. Then I need some dimensions. From here to this one it's 75, these 2 points, these 2 points should be symmetric to this line. Okay, and this is 27.5. Okay, then I need some points. There is a possibility to do equidistant points. Let's take a look. I might need 2 here. Yeah, looks okay. Then I might need 2 here. Okay. And I may need on this one 4, not quite, 2, and 2, and right here 1, right over here 1, here and here. Yes. So with this sketch I could make a pattern for the other holes. Okay. If you want to do a hole and you select first the point, then the hole tool and then the face, it will be already an ISO-constrained sketch. So I select this point, go for this tool and select the face. And this one is a threaded one, and it's M6. Let's take a look. So I have to go for thick pitch, and it's an M6. Okay, hole depth is 20, thread depth is 10, and okay. But I have to use different type because it's just a simple one, like this. Okay. And now I can do a user-defined feature with the sketch. So go for user-defined. So pattern. Positions are in the sketch. And the hole should be patterned with specifications. And okay. Yeah, that looks nice. So I want to use, I want to modify this sketch. I make a copy by Control C and Control V, and some should be change. Okay, yeah, I change this offset to 100. 120, or let's say 150, and I select these, move it right here, and change this back to 7.5, and add some dimensions. This one should be 75. These should be 75, and they should be symmetric. And I lost this one. That one should be 25 as well. And seems this is too much, so I can remove it if I can get it. Okay. Oh, this one is not constrained, so let's take a look. Yeah, this should be so, okay. I lost some dimensions, so I added it again, and now it should update, and I should get, yeah, nice. So it would be nice if I could use this sketch on the other side as well. So we'll try, I will go for it, make a copy, insert it right here. Okay, and then I want to change the sketch support. Change sketch support, yes, and put it on this face. Looks okay, looks nice, great. Now I can make a hole right here. Let's go for this point, hole and face, and okay. And now let's make a use a pattern with this one, and okay. Almost done right now. I need a hole on this face, so okay. And this one should be let's take a look. It's a countersunk. Type is countersunk. And the diameter is, take a look, is 15 and 25. So this is 25, that's okay. That's okay. And let's make it 50, doesn't matter. positioning sketch. Take the point, give it dimension. This one is 75 and it's right on. Okay. Type countersunk. Diameter 25, it's okay. 15, yeah. Let's take a look, okay. Oh yeah, so it's not threaded, of course. And the diameter should be 15, more like this, and okay. And maybe I should change it to next. Yes, that's okay. And I could do a pattern, of course, a rectangular one. I need 2. Distance should be 150 and direction should be this axis. The whole keep specifications like this. Okay. And same on this side. So go for a hole right here. Go to the positioning sketch and so I got the wrong one. Take care that you don't get the projected origin. That's 75 and it should be coincident to this one. Okay, and okay, and again another rectangular pattern along this axis. Yes, this hole, keep specifications and reverse the direction. Okay. And there are still some holes to go. Yeah, but I think you could do them for yourself and alone. So I'm done. Hope you enjoyed this video, all the mistakes, the corrections, and see you next time.